Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you have editor or owner access. Once done, refresh the form and clear the browser cache. This removes stale scripts and cookies that often cause errors. If the problem persists, open the form in an incognito window to rule out extensions. These initial actions remove common client-side issues quickly, so you can focus on deeper settings without wasting time on obvious setup. Next, diagnose server-side causes by opening the script editor and scanning for exceptions or failed triggers. Run the code step by step or check the execution log to find the exact failing line. Then, disable any recently added add-ons and retest the form. Add-ons frequently conflict or request missing OAuth scopes. Also review quota limits and permission prompts, because exceeded quotas or denied scopes cause runtime failures. Once you isolate the failing element, you can apply a targeted fix or rollback. To finalize, reauthorize any scripts and resave triggers so Google accepts updated scopes. This prevents silent permission denials. Then, test the form as another user and on a different device to confirm the fix across environments. If issues persist, duplicate the form and copy over responses and scripts. A fresh form often clears hidden corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see errors, check the execution log and snapshot the exact error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.